Hello, students. Now we are going to know something interesting. It's all about birds. The two a talking bird. Who is a talking bird? Parrots. Parrots are the talking birds. Many parrots can imitate sounds. They can repeat what we say. You would have seen, right? Yes, parrots are the most intelligent birds. They are the only birds that can eat with their feet. Have you observed that, children, while you went to Gindi Park or some other garden or in parks, you would have noticed this. If not, you see the next time, okay? They eat with their feet. Some parrots can live for over 80 years. They have strong beak. Yes, can you see the beak? See how strong it is and how sharp. Can you see the children? They are the most colorful birds. Yes, already we know that parrots are most colorful. See, there are different varieties of parrots and they are mostly colorful and beautiful also. The colorful and they are clever and they are most entertaining birds also, right? You would have noticed that, and you just keep on watching parrots because they are beautiful and clever and also okay, and they are truly an experience to witness and also having as a pet. Few people have parrot as a pet at home. Do anyone have a parrot at home as a pet? No, I don't have parrot at my home. If you have parrot at home, send me a photograph, okay? So I will see to that. See how beautiful the parrots are. So these parrots have the capacity to talk. They will repeat what we say. Yes, and it is the most entertaining thing, and it will be very nice to hear them speaking. Okay. See, this is a very common parrot, green parrot. You can commonly see this in every gardens and shops also. Okay, children. Next is a singing bird. Will a bird able to sing? Talking we have noticed in parrot. What about singing? Will the bird sing? Yes. Not all the birds sing. Only some birds have the ability to sing. We're going to see one such example is common nightingale. So this is a bird named nightingale. It will sing most melodic songs. Yes, and it's so powerful also. They have a powerful melodic voice. This bird lives in Asia, Africa, and Europe. So their song is loud with whistles. It's so peculiar and very nice. So the song of nightingale of this bird is described as the most beautiful song of nature. See, this is really so interesting, right? And amazing also. So see, it's very small to see, but it does a big thing. See his eyes and look at his beak. I hope it is singing some song right now. Can you see the children? What is the name of this bird? Nightingale. What is the name of this bird? Nightingale. So nightingale has a capacity to sing very beautifully. Okay. See, look at the feathers. How beautifully it is singing. I hope this was very interesting session. Thank you so much.